Music. Need blazing fast internet? This Brightspeed review is for you. Check the description for plan details. Brightspeed is shaking up the internet game, bringing high-speed connections to rural and suburban America. They're focused on fiber and DSL, expanding access to faster, more reliable internet where it's needed most. Their fiber plans are the star, boasting speeds up to a gig, perfect for streaming, gaming, or working from home. Multiple devices? No problem. Where fiber isn't available yet, Brightspeed's DSL offers decent speeds for browsing and standard definition streaming, ensuring connectivity even in remote areas. Brightspeed keeps pricing simple, no contracts, reasonable installation fees, and Wi-Fi equipment often included. Need wider coverage? Their mesh Wi-Fi options eliminate dead zones. Brightspeed is aggressively expanding its fiber network, reaching millions of new locations soon. This makes them a provider to watch, especially if your area has limited internet options. 24/7 customer support is available by phone and chat. However, Brightspeed's availability is still limited during this rollout phase. Also, DSL speeds may not be ideal for 4K streaming or large uploads. Bottom line, Brightspeed is great for rural and suburban homes needing a provider dedicated to better internet. Their growing fiber network and flexible plans offer something for everyone. Find the perfect plan for you via the links below.